Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For all of you that are new here, my name is Kat, and for today's video, I'm giving you an extreme clean on my girls' toy room. So I have two daughters, Nevaeh and Aaliyah. I also have a son, Andrew. However, he is a teenager, and these two girls are 2.5 years apart, and they literally can flip a room upside down, but their toy room, it's a whole other level. So right now, I am in their little armoire that one of my friends made for them for their birthday, and it holds all of their dress-up stuff, their dress-up costumes, some dress-up shoes, some hair bows, doctor toys, really anything that would be with anything dress up and play is going to be housed in that little area. I'm also going to be cleaning off the top of the dog cage there. I have eliminated so many stuffed animals over the last couple months that I'm pretty impressed with myself. If you've watched some of my earlier cleaning videos when I first got on YouTube, that top of that dog cage was just completely covered in toys. So I'm happy to say that I've eliminated those, which if you have kids, you know is extremely hard to do because they want to hold on to everything. So I had to film this video in two parts, so you are going to see a little wardrobe change. I started filming this actual clean right before Chris got home from work, so around 4 o'clock, and then I had to stop and get the kids ready for dinner. He actually brought them home McDonald's, so you are gonna see me clean up the McDonald's in the second half. It is a little bonus video where I just tidy up the living room as well. So after we did our McDonald's, we actually headed down to a local beach and got some family photos done. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you check out the description below and give me a follow on Instagram, because as soon as I get those pictures from the photographer, that is where I will be sharing them. And I'm so excited. We did them at sunset, and Aaliyah is such a ham. She would not stay still for a picture. She would not smile without sticking her fingers in the corner of her mouth and sticking out her tongue. And actually, the one picture that we got of her that was an amazing picture was her just playing in the sand. So I can't wait for those. So you guys are gonna have to definitely follow me on Instagram to see those. But right now you can see that I am just organizing. My whole system, guys, is pretty crazy, but it works for me. In one bin, I have all of their food stuff. I have some random Disney toys, which are just some Toy Story ones, as well as some Anna and Elsa ones. There's a complete bin dedicated to LOL dolls, as well as Barbies. And then I have little people, as well as some farm animals, and Andrew's old Skylander toys that the girls have accumulated that were in the basement. They've brought them up and have put them in there as well. In the last bin, I have books, Barbie clothes, and then just some miscellaneous random little toys that I keep in there, just some handheld toys. This place is a disaster, and I am super stoked to get it clean. I'm also going to be using a product at the end of the video that you are going to see when I go to vacuum. It is an Arm & Hammer baking soda, just a carpet deodorizer. I wanted to give it a good little sniff, you know, something to smell delicious, and a quick vacuum. It picks it up awesome. Highly recommended product. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and give this video a thumbs up. I have said it in a couple of my previous videos, but I have a huge kitchen renovation coming along, and I'm going to start recording and renovating very, very soon. I'm just in the process of picking up everything I need. On the weekend, I picked up all of my tiles for my backsplash. Super stoked to do that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where to pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long yourself all the time to get your mind right, but if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any.
Ta-da! Does this place not look amazing? I cannot believe how much of a disaster it was. Guys, was this not an extreme clean or what? I am super stoked for those girls to wake up in the morning and walk in here and see what mama did. Everything has a place. My OCD is at another level. Every bin is packed and organized and I love it. I just cannot wait for them to see it. I can almost guarantee that they will spend the majority of their day playing in this toy room. It was getting to the point where they were taking some of the toys that were in here into the living room because it was so messy, but no way, sisters. That is not happening here anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I really hope you guys did, and I hope it gave you the motivation you need to check some of those things off of your to-do list. I hope you guys have a good evening, day, morning, night, wherever you may be, and I'll see you guys next time.